2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200, new exiting the next level adventure machine. Manufacturers are always pushing the limits of technology and design in the adventure motorbike market to satisfy the needs of passionate riders. With the debut of the much-awaited Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 in 2024, Yamaha is poised to make waves in the adventure cycle market. With the potential to elevate the adventure riding experience to a whole new level, this powerful machine carries on Yamaha's long history of building durable and capable adventure bikes. 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 design and styling. The design of the 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 is among its most remarkable features. It combines the finesse of a road touring bike with the toughness of an off-road bike. Both on and off the road, the Super Tenere 1200 has an imposing and distinctive appearance thanks to its aggressive, angular lines and dual headlamp configuration. Its sleek design is enhanced by its sharply edged bodywork, which also shields the rider from the weather. Ergonomics and rider comfort are key design considerations for the new Yamaha Super Tenere 1200. Long rides are made easy by its adjustable seat and handlebar height, which accommodate a variety of riders. With plenty of baggage mounting options for those who want to pack up for lengthy travels and an enhanced windscreen design to lessen tiredness during protracted rides, the bike is designed with adventure in mind. 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 Performance and Engine. The 2024 Super Tenere 1200 is powered by a powerful engine that blends efficiency and power. With Yamaha's most recent technology installed, the 1,199 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline twin engine delivers excellent performance on and off the road. The rider is given a steady and manageable power band that is ideal for navigating a variety of terrains by the engine's smooth and linear torque delivery. A significant innovation in the 2024 model is the inclusion of an advanced electronic suspension system. This technology allows riders to adjust the suspension settings on the fly, adapting to changing conditions with ease. Whether you're navigating rocky trails, cruising on the highway, or riding through a twisty mountain pass, the Super Tenere's suspension can be fine-tuned to match the terrain and riding style. 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 Off-Road Capability. The 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 is an excellent off-road adventure bike, living up to its reputation. It boasts an aluminum swing arm that can easily manage difficult terrain and a sturdy chassis. The spoked wheels and tubeless tires of the motorcycle are intended to provide it the traction it needs in mud, gravel, and dirt. With confidence, the Super Tenere 1200 can handle off-road difficulties because to its suspension travel and ground clearance. 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 Electronics and Connectivity. Yamaha has made sure that the 2024 Super Tenere 1200 is a technology marvel as well as a mechanical engineering powerhouse. A full range of technological assistance is included with the bike, including as cruise control, traction control, numerous riding modes, and a quick shifter for smooth gear changes. The rider is informed about multiple data, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and more, through the full-color TFT display. Connectivity is yet another noteworthy attribute. With the Super Tenere 1200 smartphone integration, users can use Bluetooth to connect their gadgets and view call notifications, music, and navigation right on the bike's display. 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 Engine Performance. Given the evolution of motorcycle technology, it's likely that the 2024 Super Tenere 1200 would feature an advanced engine with improved performance, including enhanced power delivery and fuel efficiency. Yamaha may also work on reducing emissions and improving the engine's overall reliability. 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 weight reduction. Manufacturers often aim to reduce a motorcycle's weight to improve agility and handling. The 2024 Super Tenere 1200 could benefit from lightweight materials and construction techniques to enhance its off-road and on-road capabilities. 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 Electronics. Yamaha has been progressively integrating advanced electronic systems into their bikes. Expect the 2024 Super Tenere 1200 to come with more sophisticated rider aids, including improved traction control, cornering ABS, and advanced suspension management systems for a smoother and safer ride. The 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 suspension and chassis. Innovations in suspension technology and chassis design will likely be incorporated into the 2024 model to enhance stability and comfort, particularly for off-road riding. 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 Connectivity. The trend towards incorporating smartphone connectivity into motorcycle dashboards is expected to continue. The 2024 Super Tenere 1200 may offer advanced connectivity features, such as app integration for navigation and communication. 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 Design. Motorcycle design often evolves to strike a balance between aesthetics, aerodynamics, and rider comfort. The 2024 Super Tenere 1200 could see design improvements to enhance its visual appeal, rider ergonomics, and weather protection. 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200 Exhaust and Emissions. Motorcycle manufacturers are continually working to meet more stringent emissions standards. The 2024 Super Tenere 1200 may feature an exhaust system designed to reduce emissions while maintaining performance. A testament to Yamaha's dedication to building adventure motorcycles of the highest caliber is the 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200. With its eye-catching appearance, powerful engine, cutting-edge technology, and off-road potential, it's set to revolutionize the adventure motorcycle industry. Every time you swing a leg over the Super Tenere 1200 saddle, whether you're a long-distance tourer or an expert off-road enthusiast, you'll have an unforgettable adventure thanks to its thrilling and comfortable ride. This machine embodies Yamaha's renowned innovation and dependability, making it a strong option for riders looking for the ultimate adventure experience in 2024 and beyond. To ensure you get the most recent and accurate information possible on the 2024 Yamaha Super Tenere 1200, check out the official Yamaha website, authorized dealers, and motorcycle magazines or websites that provide reviews and news about new motorcycle launches.